Alright, so we're gonna do a demo in Kacy's Mud Truck because JP has the song. So is this a call out?
No, it's not a call out.
Oh, it's not a call out. We're just gonna hear the song in Kacy's truck. Okay.
I got the song from JP, Johnathan Price.
Johnathan Price is famous, and so now are we, because we listen to the same music.
What you doing, lit up like a Christmas tree. Your bitch to hear my ornaments. Just say my bitch too loud. I broke a noise ordinance. Cool, I get it. Got a bad bitch, she with it. Scared money, don't make money.
That sounds good.
It don't hit nothing like the Tahoe.
No, but for this truck, that sounds amazing. Yeah, that's great.
Keep on tipping.
That's definitely legit, dude. That sounds great.
That's good for a mud ride.
And for a mud truck, look, for a giant mud truck like this. Dude, I was listening to your tunes when we were going down the trail back there.
I told Amber, I said, we need to turn it up because Chris behind
I was
us.
definitely jamming to it.
He can hear it.
Right?
That's why I told her. I said, let's turn it up so Chris can hear it.
You had a bunch of my jams going. I appreciate that.